So once you've opened up Photoshop, you'll be brought to a window that looks like this, and the two most important things on here is create new and open. For this tutorial we're going to create new, but obviously if you've been working on something before you can click on open. Once you've clicked on create new, it brings up this new document window, and it's got lots of different sizes that you can use. It's got lots of different formats. I'm just going to set up a square canvas, and I'm going to make sure my units are to millimeters. Sometimes I work with pixels as well. And I've set that to 200 by 200. And then you've got resolution. This is at 300, which basically means that your picture won't be fuzzy. I'll go into more detail about resolution at some point. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create new. So the first thing I want to show you is a couple of shortcuts that are really useful to help you work more efficiently. So if you go to view, you can see we've got zoom in and zoom out. So command minus command plus. And what that means, so command plus, is that I can zoom in and zoom out quite easily and quickly. Okay, if you're on PC, it's control plus control minus. The next thing I want to show you is the layers. So over here on the right we've got the layers, and these are really important to use because it keeps your artwork separate. So anything that you do in Photoshop separate, and then that means it's easily editable, and you can delete and you can change it easier rather than doing it all on one layer. So you can see here this one's locked. All I have to do to unlock it is take the little padlock down to the bin and it's ready to go. I can add layers, I can select and delete layers, I can click and drag to delete. Finally, for this video I want to show you how to save. So you can see here, obviously it's got no name yet and it's got a little star next to it. It's just there to remind you to save, because we all know computers can crash, so it's really important that we do this quickly. So save as, and I've got a folder set up here, so I'm going to save it to this folder, call it creating new. The important thing is to make sure it's a PSD. That's a Photoshop document, so we make sure that that's selected at the top, and that will keep your layers. Okay, you can see here it will keep your layers, which means you can go back to it later on and edit it very easily. Now mine's just asking to replace because I've already set one up, and then we're good to go. So the next video in this series is how to create a simple line. Make sure you check it out.